Okay, this is a song called Bulldozer, and I left it on the Off the Hokum album because it's a nice little tune. The others are interesting tunes. This is a nice little tune. This is Bulldozer. Early in the morning and Arlene has gone to bed. I'm sat here watching TV thinking of the things she said. She said my life's a cliche and I'm living in denial. She finds me so frustrating, but she gave me a big smile. And she said, hey, why don't you stay right here a while? I'm standing at the station when the train's already left, but the voices in the cold wind keep on saying it's for the best. This old town's got nothing and it makes me feel quite mean. The only rambling boneyard is the only thing still green. And I say, hey, think I'll stay right here a while. Wrecking crew is coming, I can hear them miles away. But I won't fear no bulldozer, I won't feel no fear today. See, I've been knocked down flat before, they'll knock me down again. I'm kinda used to it and I don't feel any pain. And I said, hey, think I'll stay right here a while. Yeah, it's okay.